traffic moves at an average of 10 miles an hour. The London ambulance service is one of the world's busiest. Every day, they get over 2,500 emergency calls. But lights and sirens can't get an ambulance through gridlock. So they've put the medics on motorcycles. 1,100cc Hondas capable of 0 to 60 miles an hour in under 5 seconds. The elite team who ride them race to the most serious accidents at up to 100 miles an hour. Their rapid response can make the difference between life and death. Every bike paramedic must pass the most demanding test. Less than a quarter make it. But even with the best training, riding at these speeds can be deadly. Accidents are inevitable.
I tell every one of them who come on this job that they will, not might, will get knocked off or fall off. And I've not been proved wrong yet.
Their knowledge of the city's maze-like streets is unequaled. Their bikes can get them to accidents up to 10 minutes ahead of an ambulance. Every bike is packed with life-saving drugs and a heart defibrillator. 2 years specialist medical training makes these paramedics among the most highly skilled in the world. Since the service began 6 years ago, bike paramedics like Jack King and Alan Gibson have saved thousands of lives. Theirs is the ultimate in job satisfaction.
When you've done everything you can for a patient and the patient survives, and it's a patient that you know or you believe probably would have died if you hadn't been there. I mean, that's obviously the high.
7 minutes after